Suggestion: none. So picture this. I'm at home sipping a 20p instant coffee when my friend calls. We end up laughing for hours about old times. No fancy cafe needed. See, living frugally isn't about deprivation. It's about finding joy in the little things. Embracing minimalism and simplicity makes life lighter and more intentional. Imagine your wardrobe with just the clothes you love. Or a home that's clutter-free with only items that spark joy. Less stuff, less stress, more happiness. By choosing frugal living, you save money and gain freedom. Freedom to chase dreams, travel, or just enjoy a lazy Sunday without financial worries. So next time you think you need to be happy, remember my 20p coffee story. Sometimes less really is more. Cheers to living simply and joyfully. Remember, it's not about what you have, but how you live. Give minimalism a try and see your happiness grow.